Do you have to reprogram the 878 UV2 Plus every time you want to use a different hotspot? Example for one mobile and one for home base. I would keep them separate. Just you can leave them on the same frequencies, just change the color codes. And you want to make sure that they are separate, because then that way you can you know which one you're transmitting on. If you try and keep them on the same channel, same color code, same everything, they're going to interfere, and you're going to get that echo loop and the looping on the network that will cause, you know, problems for a lot of people as well as yourself. So I always suggest make sure you have them separate for the ones that you plan on using. The other option is that you can create one channel that's called calling, or something specific that you know is not for one channel, and you can actually push the list button right here, and then you can actually manually select the talk group you'd like to do, and that will automatically change your talk group to that talk group that you select.